I know it's been a while since I did a video, na cost me, but I will get into why I decided to take a hiatus in another video. But for today, let's talk about this crochet ponytail that I decided to do for my graduation dinner, just for a different look, and I will teach you guys step by step. So let's get into the video. Butterfly, 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 butterfly. So this style is a very simple style. All you will need 2 wave caps depending on how thick your hair is. I use 2 because my hair is thick. You need a brush, you need a crochet pin, you need hairpins, lots of hairpins, and you will need the 3 bundle Lulutress here. I did this part of the video after the fact, so I didn't get to record the hair, but that's the texture of the hair. This is the texture of the hair, the one that you'll be using, and I used almost all 3 bundles because I have very long hair and I want it all to cover. So the first thing I did was get my mannequin stand, get my mannequin head. I have a white hood that I use for work over the mannequin head because my mannequin has hair on it. It's not a bald head mannequin, and obviously I don't want to crochet the hair inside the mannequin's head, so I put something that will block the hair from being crocheted into the mannequin's head, if that makes sense. So now I'm crocheting the hair. I push the crochet hook through the wave cap, latch the hair, pull it through, and you will see me do it. I put it through the net, the fish cap, pull the hair through, and I pull one side through, and then I tied it once, and that was simply it. It's very quick, it's very fast. I did this style in under 1 hour and a half, and I wanted it very thick because again I have very long locks. My locks is butt length for everybody who doesn't know. So I tore the hair in half, and I wanted a kind of like, I guess a rough, not really rough look, but a kind of messy look, and I still left some whole ones in there, so it's a mixture of both. So again, I just crocheted the hair through the wave cap, not wave cap. I crocheted the hair inside the stocking cap. I used 2 stocking caps for my bun, and then I pulled through one side, and then I tied it, and that was pretty much it. Again, this took me an hour and a half. I was in such a hurry to do this. I literally did this just before my graduation dinner because I had such a crazy day, but that's neither here nor there. So that's pretty much it. Some of them I opened to 2 pieces, and some of them I left whole because I wanted a specific look, like you can see here. But if you don't want this look, you can leave them all together, or if you want a more wavy look, you can take them apart. It's totally up to you. Now, what I must say is that while you're crocheting, please make sure to stop and take the wave cap off and try it on your bun, because you don't want it too thick if you have a small head. At the same time, you don't want it too thin. And that pink line right there, I tried to make like a center part, which didn't really make sense because it's a ponytail, but I mean, it's the first time trying this, so you learn something new. But while you're halfway, 3/4 of the way, make sure to take it off and fit it on your bun to make sure it is to your desired look. Because if you have a small head and big hair, it will look crazy. And if you have big hair, if you have a big head with, you know, a little bit of hair, again, it will look crazy. So definitely make sure to take it off as you go to make sure that it's not too much hair, you have enough hair. And another thing, I think it's very important that you use a black stocking cap or whatever color your hair is. If you have bleach locks, then use a brown one, whatever matches your hair color the best, because it's a stocking cap. You know, you're gonna have spaces in between that you can't fit here, because again, you don't want the ponytail too thick. So you will have a couple missing spaces. So definitely get one that matches your hair the closest. I wore this at night, so it honestly wasn't a problem to me, and then I kind of finagled the hair a little bit to cover, you know, the little spaces that were left over. Now I'm just making my bun, simple bun. I brush the sides, and then before you actually make the bun, now would be the best time to fix your edges, because it will be kind of hard to fix your edges after you've made your complete bun. But like I said, I made this part after the video because I was in such a rush. I wasn't able to record this while I was making the video. And now I am trying on for the last time the ponytail. I didn't really want it that far to the front, but it still worked. It still came out good, because I was not about to make that bun over. Shit. So, and as you see, those are the little spaces I was talking about. Just make sure to move around the hair a lot so it does not show your hair. If you have hair jewelry like that piece of silver that you're seeing right there, make sure to move around the hair. Or if you can, fill in the spots. Like I said, this was like the day after or so the hair was already kind of matted together, and it was a hot mess. So yeah, take your time and crochet and fill in the spots as needed. Like I said, it looked way better than this when I did it the day before for the dinner. This is the day after, so the wig it's all messed up now. I think this is like a one-time wearing, and that's it. Just call it judge. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You fill in the hair where necessary, and then the ponytail is good. You tack it down with some hairpins, and you have a ponytail.